Hey everyone, this is Hale at TradeBot Secrets. Today we're going to do day 13 of our trading journal. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so far we're on our 14th day. I think we're up to 0.5% right now. And let's go ahead and take a look at this position. It came down, we DCA down. We kind of bought the wick here. So we're kind of zooming in. We're positions right there. And we kind of reset the rungs, so the orders. So if it comes any down further, then we'll pick it up. But in terms of M2 liquidity, feels like it's starting to pump up real high. So it's either load up and send it, or be conservative and just wait for it to come down. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't care. We just kind of let it do its thing. If not, we just take these small amounts. It's like picking up quarters throughout the day. We just closed another position out for another $7.82 today on May 6th. And we weren't able to close orders since May 2nd because I guess it was just coming down. We're just filling positions. So our current position is now 1700. And if it comes down, great. If not, we'll just sit on it. And we're going to go ahead and take profit if it keeps going up. Otherwise, we're just going to keep going sideways for a little bit and go from there. Alright, not much new, guys, but we just got to slowly chug along, pick up these dollars here and there for a high-yielding checking account. Not taking much risk, but I know it seems kind of boring, but it adds up over time. So after, a couple months to a year, big moves really definitely help. And we'll might see $90 days, might see $100 days. But until then, that's all we got. Alright, thanks guys. Talk to you then.